Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into position and calming the scene. Dim lights and remove distractions so baby relaxes. Next, hold your newborn upright against your chest or over your shoulder, supporting the head. You want to encourage burps within the first 10-15 minutes because trapped air is often the cause of fussiness. Once done, try short, gentle pats between the shoulder blades. You're creating upward pressure to release pockets of air and reduce discomfort from gas. Now, you'll combine movement and gentle pressure to help internal gas pass. Start with bicycle legs. Hold ankles and cycle gently for 1 to 2 minutes. This massages the intestines and encourages movement. Then place baby on their stomach for a few supervised minutes to let gravity assist. Make sure the head is turned. When needed, apply a warm towel or your warm hand to the lower belly. Warmth relaxes muscles so trapped air can move more easily. Finish by reviewing feeding and patterns. If gas recurs, switch to smaller, more frequent feeds and ensure proper latch or bottle angle so less air is swallowed. If fussiness persists despite these measures, look for warning signs, fever, poor weight gain, or ongoing vomiting, and contact your pediatrician right away. As a troubleshooting tip, don't use over-the-counter remedies without professional advice. If an intervention makes symptoms worse, stop and seek medical guidance immediately so you protect your newborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.